Hello, my name is Dr. Chris Sloan, and I want to introduce a product to you today called Screencast-o-matic. This product allows you to record a video on your computer, just like I'm doing right now. I'm actually using the product currently to record this video. It also allows you to record different things that are going on in your screen, as well as presentations that you maybe have that you normally do face-to-face, but you want to convert to online. So I want to start off by going to the internet here. We're going to go to Screencast-o-matic.com, and I'm going to take you to the actual screen itself, to the website itself. And you see, as we've gotten here, this is my logged in screen. Typically, when you go there the very first time, you're going to sign up for either the free, deluxe, or premier plans. I'm also going to switch over to a PowerPoint that I've created for this presentation. This is the PowerPoint that I just switched to. What I did was I paused the recording, opened up the PowerPoint, and now you can see the very first slide. So these are the steps that you need to log in to Screencast-o-matic.com and get it loaded onto your computer. First, you're going to go ahead and sign up for either the free, deluxe, or premier versions. I recommend the deluxe. It's $1.50 per month, but it allows you to use closed captioning for ADA compliance and gives you an unlimited number of recordings. It also comes with a pretty nice video editor that you can use after you get done shooting your videos to put them together. The features that Premiere offer they're on the website, Screencast-o-matic's website. You can take a look at those, but I didn't see a need for them for most educators. So once you're logged in, what you'll do next is go to the My Videos tab. Or you can go to Start Recorder. Either one of those will allow you to open up different videos that you're currently working on, or you can start recording something. Here's a video. This is the video editor that comes with the $1.50 a month version. And this allows you to download or install the features. When you first open it up, it's going to ask you to download the screen recorder to your computer. So the way you would do that is you would hit Start Recorder. It's going to give you a dialog box. Because I've already downloaded it onto my computer, it's not going to go through that with me. And the video recorder, because if I hit Start Recorder, it said it's already opened on the screen. The reason for that is because I'm using the video recorder right now to record this session. I'm not going to take the recording that I just made, select it, and take it to the editor by hitting Edit. Now once I get here, there are several tools I have available. This is one of the powerful parts of the $1.50 version, $1.50 per month version. This allows me to go anywhere in the audio and video line right here and go in and select parts to cut and copy. I can hide certain parts. I can hide the cursor or the webcam in certain parts of it. I can also insert other video files, which is how I'm going to add this video file to the previous video file. It allows you to narrate over the top of different video. It also allows you to overlay different things like images, highlights, text, etc. It can also allow you to replace or freeze frame, speed up or slow down, and actually add transitions to the video at different places. It also allows you to control the audio volume as you're doing your recording. It's a very powerful editor. The tools are something that you can play around with after you create some videos. And as I said, I'm going to add this video onto the end of the video that you just watched and make it one video, which you won't know the difference. It's kind of crazy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the very first one I made, the Welcome to Screencast-o-matic video. I'm going to open it. I'm going to select Edit. I'm going to slide the play bar all the way to the end. I'm going to select my tools. I'm going to insert an existing recording. I'm going to take the using the video editor recording, put it at the end. And now it's uploading that part to the first video I made. And now I have that part added into the first recording. And I'm going to add this part to the end of both of those recordings so that you can see how I did it and finish. And that'll be the conclusion of this video recording.